Hi Gary, David Burston here from Confidence Unlimited. Really looking forward to catching up with you uh, on Sunday week at the Community Support Centre at 13 Donaldson Street for the Professional Communication Workshop. If you can make it by 8:15 and we'll get everything sorted for an 8:30 start on the dot. We'll have tea and coffee there and things, so come in, make yourself comfortable, and we'll get going. Um, Now, this is a program to really boost your confidence and your speaking skills. It's highly interactive. Uh, if you're coming for a sleep on Sunday, forget it. You'll be go, go, go all day, but you'll be learning by doing stuff rather than being lecturing. We have our education sessions, but then we go in and we practice it. We start with the fear factors, how to get rid of them, and start off confidently. We then look at how to create a presentation in 10 minutes. And so we just give you the tools to quickly put a response in. Now, you might be at a meeting where you need to get up and get a point across, and it just gives you a structure there. Or if you've got to do a presentation, it allows you to map out a presentation very quickly, and then you can go and fine tune it. But you can get that basic structure and you can get it flowing how you like, and makes it so much quicker to put presentations together. We then look at connecting with the audience. If you don't connect with an audience, you're wasting their time and you're wasting your time. So connecting with an audience is vital, and we do a few exercises around that so you understand how to get that connection. Next, the mechanics of humour. Humour is very mechanical, so we get you to understand that, and then you can unfold the humour in your own material. We're not looking for huge laughs. If you can get a smile, you can get endorphins happening, which are a neuroconnector, which will get the learning happening and get a much better connection. And finally, we end up with impromptu speaking, how to be comfortable to answer questions at a public meeting or in job interviews or press interviews or just talking one-to-one where you need to get something done. And it just allows you to be more precise and more on control in your impromptu speaking. As I said, humour is used during the day. It de-stresses people. If people are stressed, and it also increases the learning. So humour is a really strong way of getting a workshop to work. We've during the workshop, I'll tell you why we do things the way we do it. Which there's a lot of little things you can do to increase the connection between you and participants. So if you've got to run any workshops, you'll get lots of pointers on that as we go through. We've still got a few spaces left, only a couple, but if you've got any friends, it'll be a really good value day, or anybody who would benefit from this. Send them along, get them to sign up on the internet, because we'd love to see them. So Gary, I'm really looking forward to catching up with you and having a really good day on Sunday week on the 2nd.